a nap champ. I just have to lie down and see the ceiling and then I'm done.
I am a professional sleeper.
And I'm a trained sleeper.
I'm a side sleeper and a deep sleeper, so I definitely need a pillow to hug on and I sleep on my stomach.
It's just fan.
A dark room and a cold pillow.
I would say a very nice workout before my sleep routine helps me sleep much better.
Candles and reading comics.
Do good exercise and not work too late. Kind of put my stress at the side.
When there are boring meetings happening, I have fallen asleep on the first row.
That's a concert.
Marine Drive.
How can you sleep at Marine Drive?
It's amazing.
It is a theater.
In a moving car with a lot of music being blasted in the car.
I have to put my phone away. This OTT and social media is killing you.
I read comics. It's basically more from the phone, so it helps me.
Affects me in a good way. I just like look at a screen to fall asleep. I'm watching videos all the time.
I sleep with my pet, so when I have a cat, so whenever my cat decides to join me in the bed, he comes. Otherwise, I sleep alone.
Obviously, wife ke saath, we both share the bed.
Sorry. Yeah, with my wife, just to be very clear.
Yes, I share it with my husband. If he's snoring, yes, it affects my sleep. He claims I'm snoring sometimes, then that affects his sleep. But of course, it's worth it.